out of your mind. All right, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or as I said, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, or a Taurus that you're dealing with. Okay, give me some energy between Taurus and their person. Strength card. Yeah, I see that it's not a one-sided connection, Taurus. If you would want to tell that to me in the comment section, then better watch yourself, because I see that as much as this person wants you, you want them to you want them equally. So you are also trying to make things happen with them. You actually wanted to tame this person, like maybe this person was not behaving as per you. They were trying to do weird things. So you were trying to control them. You were trying to make them come back on the track. All right, you were really trying different things to make this person do things as per you, and I see you have succeeded, or you will. With the Eight of Cups, I see that you both try to walk away from each other, but the sad part is that you could never do it. So that is why you always keep coming back. See, we said that, you know, there was a cycle that completed, or you felt that this is over, but then this person comes up with so much of love. So I see somebody is going to be very romantic, very emotional to you. When this person talks to you, this person is going to be very emotional in their approach. So they will try to emotionally blackmail you, or they will just approach things with a lot of emotions, and you'll be like, what happened to you? What happened to you? And you know the thing that you're trying to hide, the fact that you do not want them. You're trying to tell everybody that I am over this person, I don't want them, but you want them. You really want them. You were also waiting for this person to come back so that you can work things together. They are coming back. So what else? I definitely see a very big energy of reconciliation here. Four of Wands. Ooh. What the fuck is happening here? With the Four of Wands, I definitely see that. Are you planning marriage with them? Are you hoping for that? Some of you're really hoping that this person should get married to you. You're hoping for a be-all, end-all kind of thing. You are trying to deceive yourself by telling that you don't want it. You're trying to hide your emotions. This person is trying to hide their emotions, but I definitely see that there is a lot of love between both of you. You could never really get off each other out of your mind, and now you want this person to come back to you. Some of you are also very disappointed because maybe this person is not acted really well in the past. So you're really disappointed, heartbroken as well, but still you want things to happen well, because there is a part of you which tells that this person is for you. Like every time you try to walk away, something holds you back. So I definitely see an energy of reconciliation. Both of you want to work things together, and you will. So there's definitely a new beginning. Somebody is going to appear in your life very suddenly. I see some of you, this person could be younger to you, or maybe they're very childish in their approach, and that also bothers you. You know, you are coming like a high priestess. You are, I see, more knowledgeable one here, and you're very mature, and you're very calm, composed. You are not like hush kind of thing. You try to take things very maturely, but the person that you're dealing with is very immature, very childish in their approach, and that is a problem. Like you guys are not able to get on the same page in the past, but now I see they want to start things again with you. Okay, what's going to be the outcome here? Judgment card. Yeah, you guys will be getting back together. Judgment is things going back to what it was in the past. I see you guys will be getting back together and going back to what it was. Just be careful that you do not start with the same inconsistency. Like if this person still brings in the inconsistency, then do not accept them, because then you are going to repeat the same cycle. Just try that you do not repeat the same cycle. Accept this person only when they approach you with maturity, because I see this person is going to make a move towards you. They love you. Some of you, this person is also very anxious of whether you will take them back or not, because they are scared to lose you. Some of you, they definitely know that you have been moving on, like you are trying to move on, so they are scared. But yeah, this person is coming back, and they are coming back because they are scared. They don't want to lose you. What else? What is Taurus feelings for this person? Ace of Cups. Don't freaking tell me that you don't want this person. You're trying to lie. You're just trying to lie that you don't want them. This is your feelings, Ace of Cups. You have a lot of emotions for this person. That's why That is why even you're not able to let go, and you always waited for this person to turn to you. You are also looking for a commitment with them, a reconciliation, a be all end all. Some of you really want marriage with them. So yeah, like whatever you want, it's coming to you. But the only thing that I would like to tell you is that just make sure that this person has changed. All right, don't accept them with their same immaturity, because this person is anyway going to pursue you. Now the ball is in your court, whether you want them or not. Okay, just make sure that they have changed. Okay, what else? I definitely see reconciliation. This reading is screaming reconciliation. Anything else for Taurus? Temperance and Page of Cups. Somebody wants to balance things out with you. When this person comes back again, I'm seeing a lot of emotional conversation, and somebody will tell you things like, let's balance things, let's put in the work, let's just sort it out. Somebody is going to fix things. They want to fix things with you now. They know that they have disappointed you with their immaturity, but now they want to fix things. Somebody is going to talk very maturely or very emotionally this time. They want to convince you that they have become mature. And you have been very disappointed with this person in the past is what I see. Like this person, like something came out, they were very immature, some sort of secrets came out, you were really, really disappointed. You just kept on, this is not the first time that you both separated. I see that you kept on giving this person chances, but they were really not growing up. You kept on waiting for this person to grow up, and they never did that. And then you were like, what the hell? I cannot wait for you. And now this person is like, no, don't leave. So they want to convince you that they have leveled up, they have grown up. Seven of Pentacles. This person is waiting for the right moment to approach you. They also know that they have really, really hurt you, but they want to make it right. Somebody wants to right the wrong that they have done, and they're very determined about it. Some of you also see that you might be wanting to start something like a business thing or something. So you're planning right now. Go ahead, take the leap of faith. It's going to go well. With the Seven of Pentacles, if you do the planning properly, it's going to work really, really well. Expect your working hours to increase. Expect your efforts to increase, because I see that you will be starting a new project, and it's going to bring in a lot of hard work. Okay, any other advice for Taurus? Queen of Wands. You have people around you. I see your love life is definitely stuck, but finally it's moving, and there is someone who wants to come back. No joke. No freaking joke. This person wants to make everything right with you. They know that they have done things in the past because of which the connection came down. They want to now fix it. Maybe some of you, this person was having a third party situation going on. Something went down because this person was immature, very inconsistent, but they now want to level up because they see that you have leveled up a lot. You really gave this person chance over chance over chance, and they were not leveling up, but now they want to. Who was this immature kid that you were dealing with, Taurus? Seriously. Okay, anything else? Final outcome. Queen of Swords. Some of you are going to be very skeptical to allow this person back into your life, though you want them, but you will show to them that you are not going to accept them until and unless they really show you a change. So some of you, you're not going to easily accept this person. You're going to be a little skeptical when they come back, which is good. Try to maintain boundaries. It's always a good thing to have boundaries. Ace of Pentacles. However, this person I see very determined to be in your life. Somebody is very freaking determined. And they will be talking about commitment this time. Just when I said that it was 11-11. They will be talking emotions this time, commitment this time. So yeah. Alright, message for Taurus for July 2021, please. Let go of control issues. Somebody maybe tried to control you in the past, free yourself, and then you really freed yourself. Somebody was very controlling. Retreat, yeah. So I see that you are trying to take a break from this person, though you want them, but you're still showing to them that you don't care, and you're trying to take a break. But I see that you will anyhow be giving this person a chance, and you want to make things work with them, and things will work. And your message is to let loose. All right, you're already doing that. Keep doing that. Let loose, let this person free. They are not going anywhere. They're coming back to you, right back at you. Anything else? Some of you, I also see that these days you're prioritizing a lot on yourself. Trust and attraction. See, somebody is very attracted to you. You just have to trust that this person is not going anywhere. They're coming back at you. Don't worry. Like, just don't even worry. All right. So that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.